It's the way of young people in Cape Town who braved the wrath of their government to hear a young senator from New York speak about the ripples of hope one righteous act can create. Let that be the liberation we celebrate today, a liberation of the spirit that, if embraced, can lead us all, individuals and as nations, to be among the righteous. Beneath one is a verse from the book of Proverbs I impart to you as a prayer. The wicked flee when no man pursueth, but the righteous are as bold as a lion. May God's face shine upon the lions that we have lost.
Right? So many have been the righteous voice for the least among us, working every day in ways large and small to repair our world.
I want them to learn about a small man guided by enormous faith in a righteous cause, a loving God, the dignity of every human being.
Change requires more than righteous anger.
I believe our righteous anger can be transformed into more justice and more peace.
Wherever they are, they will surely, no matter how long it takes, come to feel the righteous fist of American might.